Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your headphones automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, I recommend it to check if you have the latest software version. Open Philips headphones application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to go to the settings at the right bottom. Then click at the product information and click at the software update line. And it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, right here you can update it. Now, the next step is to restart your audio player. Maybe this one is a problem with your audio player, so let's say you listen to music in Apple Music. Just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application. And update if you haven't. Okay, if both of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, it's pretty easy these headphones. So, at your right ear cup, we have all controls. You need to press and hold at the same time ambient sound control button and power button until the LED lights start flashing white and blue. So, press and hold. Here we go, we have this flashing. So, next we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device or forget device or unpair or maybe remove button and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, you need to tap at this button. Okay, next. These headphones enter to pairing mode automatically after factory reset, so you will see them at the device list. Now, you need to tap at your headphones, and we just reconnect them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!